Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to transform a luxury home with the help of AI. So let's go guys. Step 1 is the demo and dig. We start with site clearing and excavation. The goal here isn't just digging holes, it's grading the soil to ensure proper drainage and the level base for the structure. Now the step 2 is the pour. Once the ground is prepared, the concrete mixture arrives, we pour the slab foundation and install the double reinforcement. Now moving to the step 3, which is the shell. We use concrete block for the perimeter walls, followed by wood framing. Notice the prefabricated roof trusses. They allow us to get the roof structure up quickly and accurately. And boom, the final reveal. This build came in on schedule and looks incredible. If you enjoyed this video, share your thoughts in the comment section and like, follow and hit the subscribe button for future videos.